everyone, of me is Xiaomi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening settings. Now scroll down and click on apps. After that, select app lock and click on turn on. Now you need to create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're ready, click on next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log into your Mi account or choose Not Now. Wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now in the pop-up. If you want to lock all of those apps, just click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them. Check for 0 and tap on Use App Lock then. Now tap on Settings in this pop-up if you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps. If you don't, just tap on Cancel. Lastly, click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, like YouTube. So now when I go back and try to access YouTube, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into exactly the same settings, enter your login method and click on the same No Blow switcher. In order to disable app lock completely, click on this gear icon at the top right corner, tap on this switcher next to app lock, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!